Hi guys, Zori Mori here. Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. I'd love to see you again. It's been crazy couple of weeks to say the least. I am going on week 3 in quarantine here in San Francisco. San Francisco has been my home for the last 8 years or so. My family unfortunately is not here. They're all the way in Bulgaria. My partner's family is in Texas. These are some really challenging times. I hope wherever you are in the world, you're safe. I hope your loved ones are safe. And I hope we can make it through this sooner than later. Now, this is my apartment. It's a studio in the heart of San Francisco. It has this bed. Here you cannot see, but I have like 2 desks, one for me, one for my partner. I have a cute little love seat by the window that overlooks downtown. We have a eat-in kitchen and a bathroom on that side. Also 2 walk-in closets. This apartment has served us so well because of the nature of our work. We're usually on the road 6 to 7 months a year. We do travel, photography, and content. So this place is empty most of the time. That's why we settled on a smaller apartment. Our lifestyle, I think it's perfect for it. However, now everything has changed and we are home 24/7. And I think I've neglected decorating this place for long enough. Now I'm gonna give myself little challenges to brighten the place, to make it more us. And I'm gonna start with the bathroom. The bathroom is one of the few places here where you can get some alone time. It's the only place that helps me bring the anxiety levels down and the stress levels down. So I have given myself a budget because right now I'm not really working. I'm not making like money, so I don't want to spend too much. It's unnecessary. Having a budget is pretty good restraint to keep you creative. And also, I mean, I just like a good challenge. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so this is the bathroom right now. As you can see, we haven't really done much to it. It's a blank canvas for us to work on, and the number one thing is it looks quite messy. So the plan is to use that above toilet storage shelf to organize all of the loose items that are on the shelf currently and on the sink. The way we're gonna do that is we're gonna get uniform baskets for all of the shelves, and we're gonna transfer all the loose objects inside of those baskets. In an ideal world, I would love to just completely remove this shelf and get, like, instead of an open shelf layout, get an enclosed shelf. However, I did a quick research and those start around $200 for one that's not too wobbly. Unfortunately, that doesn't fit our budget today, but maybe a second wave of bathroom improvement later on. So I think for now, the little baskets will be a great solution. We're gonna change the shower curtain. That will be our main source of color. All the colors we have on the shower curtain, we're gonna use them for the bath mat and all the other accessories. So we want to create like a color story and a cohesive look. That's key for everything you're designing. Doesn't matter if it's an interior space, an outfit, a magazine. You want to have a uniform color story. You pick 2 or 3 colors and then you can use the shades of those colors, but don't go and get all the rainbow unless the rainbow is your theme. Okay, so as I said, we get a cool colorful shower curtain and matching bath mat, and then I really want to incorporate some gold accessories. Currently I'm thinking the rings that hold the shower curtain, they're gonna be replaced with gold ones, and maybe I'm gonna get like a soap dispenser or something that's also gold to tie that story together. And I've been looking on Pinterest for inspiration, and I saw this trend of putting artificial flowers in your bathroom. So I'm gonna do some ivy plants that are just green and lush looking to make the space feel more organic. Yeah, our challenge will be to find all of that online and get it delivered here within a week or maximum 2. Can't wait to see what's available, and I can't wait to redo this bathroom. Okay, let's see what we can find. First, we're gonna go to Urban Outfitters. It's one of my favorite places. They have like really interesting, very colorful home decor options. So I'm gonna go straight to bath because we don't want to end up spending a lot of money on other stuff. Oh, and right away, a lot of good stuff. Color, I love this, peachy clean. I'm gonna start with the shower curtains first because that will be our main visual element. So I can't really pick accessories if I don't know what my shower curtain is gonna be. I mean, so many cool options. I like this one. Get naked. That's cool. Oh, they have so many. A lot of florals. I do like florals. This one has another color. That's nice. How am I gonna pick? I might get, we'll see. I might get like more than one option just to try. I like this get naked. Oh, wait. Tiger King. I really like this one. Squeeze today. Peachy. Oh, there's a second peachy clean. That one's cute too. I love the colors on this one. Kind of, I'm gravitating towards something like that. This looks like boba. Oh, but it's papaya. Oh, Rise and Shine is cute. Oh, dumpling. Guys, so many options. Another place that has really cute, colorful shower curtains is Anthropology. You can lose your budget here so quickly, but let's just check it. I like this. Maybe something like this, gold, to go with the gold shower curtain hooks that I'm envisioning. That would be a nice match. Something like this. What's it called? Caddy. I like the Caddy, but I don't like the price of it. Let's see. Gold bath Caddy. That's cute. This Target. Let's see. Maybe they have other colors. Yeah, this is really cute. I like it. Oh, I think this is gold. So this is the thing that we want, and much better price than Anthropology. However, so this is sold out. You can subscribe for updates, and that's a great way to get the piece that you want, especially shops like Target. There is a lot of people just buy and return things all the time. So if you see something, subscribe on the waiting list, and then when you get a notification in your mail, just buy it. It's really cute. Perfect. Okay, let's see. Faux plants. They have some good ones. It's cute. Something like this, but bigger. Like, I want it to be like a climbing plant because there will be a lot of options to use it in the bathroom or just move it around. This is cute too. Not what we're looking for, but cute. But something like this. Yeah, that's nice. Who also has good cost plus or market? They have like really good artificial plants too. It's always worth checking. They look very real. I own a few of their pieces. Like this. This is this. H&M Home sometimes has surprisingly cute stuff. Let's see. I haven't checked their website in some time. It's cute. Looks like a nice material. Oh, I like this color. I like this color. I think this with some pink and some green can be really nice. Ooh, bingo. Here, shower curtain rings, $6. Yes. That's what we want. Wow, cool. Okay, so this was it, our bathroom remodel on a budget. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I personally cannot wait to jump in for a shower. I'm really loving that new, brighter, more fun version of the bathroom. I think next I'm gonna try to redo our bedroom. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to see you again, and thank you for watching.